So let's meanwhile talk about how this link that is now being drawn on that assassination bid on Donald Trump that seems to be reflecting when it comes to an Indian politics. And this face-off over the BJP's claim against Rahul Gandhi. The Congress meanwhile has sharpened its attack on the BJP, calling it as cheap politics. Yes, Pati.
Well, the Congress party is saying this is tamasha of the Bharatiya Janata Party for bringing in Rahul Gandhi into this picture, and this is Pawan Kheda's post. He says, and I quote, "Cheap politics should not be played on the issue of security of leaders. The Congress party lost Mahatma Ji to right-wing terrorists. We lost 2 prime ministers at the hands of terrorists. We lost our entire Chhattisgarh leadership to left-wing terrorists under the watch of the BJP government. Prime Minister Modi and the entire BJP has been instigating people against the leadership of the Congress party by spreading vitriolic lies against Nehru ji, Indira ji and the entire family. He also mysteriously withdrew their SPG security." So Congress, they are hitting back at the Bharatiya Janata Party.
All right, Swati, thank you for that. Let's take that question also to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, this is the Congress party reacting, saying this is cheap politics that the BJP is indulging in.
Well, absolutely. You see, the Congress party has reacted to what the BJP has been saying. Now, the Congress party says that cheap politics should not be played over the security of leaders. Now, the Congress party has highlighted that Mahatma Gandhi was killed by a right-wing terrorist. How they, in fact, have lost 2 prime ministers, 2 terrorists as well. The entire Chhattisgarh unit of the Congress party had been killed by the left-wing terrorist under the watch of the BJP. Now, the Congress party also questions that how mysteriously the SPG cover has been removed from the Gandhi family, and how time and again the BJP has been using words against Nehru, against Indira Gandhi and entire Gandhi family. See, the war of words is going to escalate between the BJP, where the BJP has highlighted the fact that the language that Joe Biden had been using against Donald Trump, the same kind of language the opposition, specifically the Congress party, have been using against Prime Minister Narendra Modi time and again, be it calling him a dictator or Hitler. In fact, they have also cited how Prime Minister Narendra Modi's security was compromised by the state government when the Congress was in power in Punjab, how the Prime Minister's convoy have to wait for some time at the middle of the flyover, compromising his security. So clearly the war of words is going to escalate between the Congress and the BJP, where now the Congress has hit back at the BJP.
Right, but what does it mean as far as the allegations now being leveled when it comes to the SPG security that has been provided to Rahul Gandhi? Our Congress party is raising another allegation there, Sabyasachi.
Well, absolutely. See, the Congress party have leveled another allegation against the BJP, stating that the BJP government mysteriously has removed the SPG cover from the Gandhi family. In fact, despite the fact that the threat still lures over the Gandhi family, despite knowing that the BJP government have removed the SPG cover from the Gandhi family, and time and again instigating remarks have been passed by the BJP towards the Gandhi family. And the Congress says that cheap politics should not be played over the security of the leaders, and similarly they have leveled an allegation against the BJP government, stating that the BJP, despite knowing the security threat to the Gandhi family, have removed the SPG cover from them.
Right, so from the world's biggest democracy to when it comes to the world's oldest democracy, the political discourse that has been witnessed, however, has its own similarities. But the link that is now being drawn when it comes to the leader, how they have been continuously attacked verbally when it comes to political or the elections that have been taking place, a similar situation by Indian leaders is being pointed out, especially when it comes to the language and the commentary that has been used against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Sabyasachi, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.